Hi, welcome to 123maths. We're going to take a look at the features within the Reports menu and will help you monitor the progress of all your users. So let's go to Reports. Within this particular menu, you can have an individual report or users. You can have your report sent by email. You can see a day report, or you can look at group information. So for a user, you just simply select your user and the information is shown. There is a summary table which gives you an overview of when they started their particular book. So +1 book started on the 20th of May and so far has started 3 pages within the book. This shows whether any of the pages have been completed, how many questions were answered over the last 7 days, and will also show you whether they were correct and the percentage given. This also gives you a total number of questions answered from when they started the book. It also shows how many comments have been sent and also how many targets that Terry is working to. If we click on the progress bar, this gives you a quick view of how the progress that they've made through the book so far. So in the +1, the yellow shows that these are the pages that have been started and the grey are pages still yet to do. The calendar will show the days when Terry logged into 123maths. So we can see on the 20th he answered 35 questions and on the 24th he answered 22. The comments will show all the comments that have been listed for Terry and whether he has read them or replied to them. You can print the report, and there is also a descriptors report which can be downloaded and shows progress based on year objectives. The report identifies the areas on our books and assessments which relate to a specific descriptor within the National Curriculum Mathematics Programme of Study. Again, this can be printed. You can also see all of the information for all users, and all your users will be listed and the summary tables along with their targets, and you can view the progress bars. You can print this report and you can click here to show all progress bars, or you can hide. Again, you can download the descriptors report for each individual user. You can also have a report sent to you by email, either immediately or it can be sent on a weekly basis. You just tick which report you wish to have and enter the email address and update your details. You can also add more than one email address for any particular reports. Just enter their details here. You can also view the day report, and this is a calendar which shows the total number of questions that have been answered each day by all of your users. If we click on the image here, this shows that these users logged into 123maths on the 20th of May and answered these questions, and you can click here to view their details more detailed. The Groups tab, if you choose a group, shows the summary tables for the users who are in this particular group. Again, you can print the report and you can print and download the descriptors report. Thank you for watching, and do get in touch if you've any queries.